Students, this is a Maths Worksheet 35, Chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples, and the subtopic is Divisibility Rules. First, we will discuss here divisibility by 7. Remove the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the rest of the number. Continue doing this until only one digit remains. If this is 0 or 7, then the original number is divisible by 7. For example, to test divisibility of 12,264 by 7, we simply perform the following manipulations. 12,264. So here, remove the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the rest of the number. Means, here the last digit is 4. And when we double it, means multiply by 2, it gives 4 to the 8. And the rest of the number 1226. So we write here. So when we subtract 8 from 1226, it gives difference 1218. So here we repeat the same procedure here. Remove the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the rest of the number. So here the last digit is 8, and when we double it and multiply by 2, so it gives 8 to the 16, and the rest of the number 121. So we write here. And when we subtract 16 from 121, it gives difference 105. Again, we repeat same procedure here. Remove the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the rest of the number. So here the last digit is 5, and when we double it, 5 to the 10, and the rest of the number 10 here. When we subtract 10 minus 10, it gives 0. So thus the number 12,264 is divisible by 7, because if the remainder is 0 or 7 or divisible by 7, so the whole number divisible by 7. So here 12,264 is divisible by 7. Now divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digit in odd places and the sum of its digit in even places and starting from the unit place is either 0 or divisible by 11. So the number is divisible by 11. Now I solve some example related to divisibility by 11. So the first example number A, 3465. So here first we find out sum of digits in odd places. The digits in odd places are 5 and 4. So we add these both number 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Now we find out sum of digits in even places. So the digits in even places are 6 and 3. So now we add these both number. 6 plus 3 gives some 9 here. And now we subtract sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places. So 9 minus 9, and 9 minus 9 gives 0. So the number 3465 is divisible by 11, because rule of divisibility 11 say that if the number is 0 or divisible by 11, so the whole number divisible by 11. Example number B, 95,986. So here first we find out sum of digits in odd places. So the digits in odd places are 6, 9 and 9. So we add all three numbers here, 6 plus 9 plus 9. So here 6 plus 9 15 and 15 plus 9 24. Now we find out sum of digits in even places. So digits in even places are 8 and 5. And now we add these both numbers. 8 plus 5 gives sum 13. Now we subtract sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places. 24 minus 13. 24 minus 13 give difference 11. So the number 95,986 is divisible by 11. So the both numbers are divisible by 11 here. Now students, here I solve some examples related to divisibility rule of 7. Example A, 154. We check here 154 is divisible by 7 or not. So first remove the last digit. And the last digit is 4 here, and multiply by 2. Subtract it from left of the number. So 15 minus 4 into 2. So now 15 minus 4 to the 8, and when we subtract 15 minus 8, it gives difference 7, and 7 is divisible by 7. So therefore the number 154 is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 7. Now example number B, check divisibility of 29,918 by 7. So the number is 29,918. We apply the same rule here. Remove the large digit and multiply it from 2 and subtract it from left of the number. So the large digit here is 2, and when we double it, it gives 16, and subtract it from left of the number. So 2991 minus 8 into 2, so it gives 2991 minus 8 to the 16, and it gives difference 2975. Now we repeat this rule again with 2975. So the digit is 2975. So the last digit is 5. Now we double it. 297 minus 5 to the 10, and it gives difference 287. Here we repeat this rule again with 287. So the last digit is 7 here, so 28, and we multiply this 7 with 2. 28 minus 7 to the 14. 28 minus 14, it gives difference 14, and 14 is divisible by 7. So therefore the number 29,918 is divisible by 7. Here we solve some examples related to divisibility rule of 11. Example number A, 63,921. Here we check 63,921 is divisible by 11 or not. So first we find the sum of digits in odd places. So the digits in odd places are 1, 9 and 6. So we add all these digits 1, 9 and 6, and it gives some 1 plus 9 10 and plus 6 16. Now we find sum of digits in even places. So the digits in even places are 2 and 3. So we add these both digits 2 and 3, it gives some 5. Now we take a difference of sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places. So sum of digits in odd places is 16 minus sum of digits in even places 5. It gives difference 11, and 11 is divisible by 11, so the number 63,921 is divisible by 11. (63,921) is divisible by 11. Now here we solve example number B. 5,726 is divisible by 11 or not. So first we find sum of digits in odd places. Digits in odd places are 6 and 7. Now we add these both numbers, 6 plus 7. It gives some 13. Now sum of digits in even places. Digits in even places are 2 and 5. Now we add these both numbers, 5 plus 2. It gives some 7. Now we find the difference between sum of digits in odd places minus sum of digits in even places. So the sum of digits in odd places is 13 minus sum of digits in even places is 7, and it give difference 13 minus 7 give 6. So 5,726 is not divisible by 11. Now here I give some questions related to divisibility rule of 7 and 11. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you, students.